Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. While withdrawing tokens from your Phantom Wallet to a bank account is a straightforward process, it does require a few additional steps to complete. Currently, direct withdrawal to a bank account is not available. Instead, you will need to utilize a cryptocurrency exchange. This exchange allows you to convert your token into fiat currency such as USD or Euro etc. and then transfer that fiat currency to your bank account. This ensures a smooth transition from digital asset to traditional currency, enabling you to access and use your fund as needed. For that, you can need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a cryptocurrency exchange that supports the token you wish to sell. Make sure the exchange is reputable and available in your country. If you don't already have an account on the exchange, you will need to create one. If necessary, you may need to go through KYC/AML verification. In the second step, transfer token from your Phantom wallet to the exchange. Once your account is set up and verified on the exchange, find the deposit or receive option for the tokens you are transferring. The exchange will provide you with the deposit address. It's advised to contact the exchange beforehand and confirm that they support those specific tokens. Remember, sending unsupported tokens may result in the inability to recover them. Open your Phantom wallet, select the token you wish to transfer, and use the send option to transfer it to your exchange deposit address. If you are sending any token other than Solana, Ethereum, or Matic, you need to send the token to the exact token address for the token on the exchange. For example, to transfer USDC/USDT to an exchange, you need to use the exact USDC/USDT address on the exchange, not your Solana, Ethereum, or Matic address. In the third step, sell your token for fiat currency. Once the token are in exchange account, you can sell them for fiat currency such as USD, Euro, etc. through the exchange trading platform. The specific step for this vary depending on the exchange. Please contact the support of the exchange if you run into issues selling your tokens. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.